caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello, and another unboxing video, but again, this one is not unboxing, it's an update. I showed you the Vivo something 95, the F95 I think it was, and here it is. I put an extra case on it because I didn't really like the colour, so the black makes it look really funky, and there you see at the back is your screen. I put in facial recognition, but it's not a good one. It's not like Apple, so don't put anything with a payment system onto it if you just want it to unlock your phone. But also you got the fingerprint. A little bit tricky. I'm used to the fingerprint being down here, but you got to use this bit here. So you just got to click it on like that, and you can see we're on. I've done all the kind of settings for you, and I would go through these one by one. They tell you what to do, pretty easy to use. The camera, pretty impressed with the camera. Again, this is about $230. So excuse me, so the screen is LCD, but pretty good. Just go through all these settings and set up your phone. So your Wi-Fi, your SIM cards, you can have 2 SIM cards, there's an extra memory card in the top just there, I think it is, your on-off switch, your fingerprint ID, facial recognition, not so good, again, there. And you can just get on your Google account, go to the Play Store and download the apps you want. Plenty of space there. This is a 64 GB one, it's 4 gigabytes of memory as well, so it is actually pretty fast. If let's go to, I don't know, if I go to speed test, you can see it's pretty quick, not bad at all. I'm just using Wi-Fi here, and you can just see the sort of speed that you get here. All right, it's not as good as some places around the world, but there it is. So, pretty impressed with this one. Goodbye. Again, if you're looking for a cheap phone, at the moment, it's only 1 day old, but I think if you look after it, I've got a screen protector on it, I've got the case on it, it's pretty good value. And the camera, I'm impressed with as well. So, the Vivo something 95, whatever it is, pretty good. Bye.